Hello everyone. So now we're going to find the diameter of a circle, okay, and we're going to use that to figure out what's the area of the circle. So here I'm saying the diameter of a circle passes through the points 12, -3 and 5, -3. And so I'm asking you, what is the area of the circle? So the first thing we need to do is find the diameter of the circle using the distance formula. And so recall the distance formula, which is x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. Okay, so here we have that the diameter is equal to the square root of, and so now I'm going to label my points. This is x1, y1. This is x2, y2. And so now I'm going to plug these points in. So I get that this is 5 minus 12 squared, oops, not to the 7th, squared, plus, and then y2, which is -3, minus y1, which is also -3. Okay, so now I need to use PEMDAS here to simplify this. So I get that 5 minus 12 is -7 squared plus, and then -3 minus -3 is -3 plus 3, which is 0 squared. And so this is the square root of 49, which is equal to 7. Okay, so now what I want to do is, now that I have the diameter, I want to figure out what's the area of the circle. And so remember, the area of the circle is pi r squared, or in other words, we need to find the radius to find the area of the circle. And so to find the radius, I just take the diameter and divide it by 2. So to find the radius, of the circle, divide the diameter by 2. And so we have that the radius is equal to the diameter divided by 2, which is equal to, in this case, 7/2, since we said that the diameter was 7. Okay, and so now I'm just going to find the area of the circle. Okay, and so I know that the area is equal to pi r squared. I know that r is equal to 7/2. And so where I see r, I'm going to replace that with 7/2. And so this gives me a is equal to pi 7/2 squared. And so this is equal to pi times 7/2 squared, which is just 7/2 times 7/2. That's what the squared means, right? I take whatever my bottom is, my base here, and I multiply it by itself 2 times. And so to figure out what 7/2 times 7/2 is, I multiply across. So I have that this is pi times 7 times 7, which is 49. And then 2 times 2, which is 4. And so I have 49 pi over 4. Because here, to get 49 pi over 4, I just took the pi and multiplied it by the 49. So again, I'm multiplying across when you have fractions. So multiplying fractions, you multiply across.